Let's clone some fungus in the comfort of your own home. Cloning a mushroom is really simple. All you're going to need is some honey, some agar, and some water. Agar is just a thickening agent. It's like gelatin, but it's vegan. I'll be using some chia seeds as well. It helps with the thickening and also has a lot of nutrient. And I'm also going to use some potato starch. So we're going to start with 5 cups of water, 25 grams of agar, and then we're going to use only 10 grams of honey. And at that point you can stop, but today we're adding the chia seeds, put 5 grams of that, and we're going to put about 30 grams of potato starch. We're going to mix that up and then pour it in with the rest of the water. I just separate it to make mixing a little bit easier. And then you're going to need some kind of jar. I like to collect old pickle jars. You can use a mason jar. And then you're going to puncture 2 holes in the top to allow gas exchange for the sterilization process. Put some micropore tape on that, which is just medical tape. And then we're going to disperse all of that into each of our containers. Put lids on, and then we're going to put some aluminum foil on the top to stop any extra water getting inside of our containers. Now it's time for the big boy, the pressure cooker. If you don't know how to use a pressure cooker, please familiarize yourself with a pressure cooker. You do not want to mess around with this thing. Since we're only sterilizing a liquid here, you should only have to fill your pot to where the jars are covered about halfway. And then you're going to run that at 15 psi for 30 minutes. I currently have a malfunctioning gauge, but I use the rocker to really gauge that psi. You want it to be a soft rocking and not a violent one.